I'm going to show you how to make tomato pachadi with yogurt. Let's quickly run into the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 stem curry leaf, 3 green chilies and 6 small tomatoes and half cup of yogurt. And here I am boiling some water for boiling our tomatoes. I have already boiled the water. So here you can see the water is already hot. Now I'm adding my tomatoes and boiling them until the skin peels off from the tomatoes. So as you can see here, my tomatoes are almost ready. So they are well cooked and I can see the skin of the tomatoes are peeling off. That means they're ready to off. So they're ready to off it and take it out from the stove. So I off my stove now and I'm directly taking my tomatoes into the cold ice water. So why I'm doing this is to make the process quicker. I want my tomatoes to get cooler faster. So by doing this, in a minute or so your tomatoes will be cooled and ready to peel off. So I took all of my tomatoes into the ice bowl and now I am peeling my skins on the tomato and putting them aside in a bowl where we are going to make the pachadi. So peel off the skin gently and put your tomatoes in the bowl. Then we will be smashing this into a fine paste just with your fingers. No need to use any blender or mixie for this process. Just we can use our hand or hand smasher. So I'm doing my rest of the tomatoes. So I peeled off all of my tomatoes and I'm using my smasher, but it didn't work better. I felt my hands are better than that. So I used my fingers to crush them, and also we doesn't want to make it into fine coarse paste. So we wanted we want them to smash it with your fingers. We are not looking for anything into a fine watery consistency. So we want little bit of lumps of tomatoes in it. So if you see any harder part in it, just take it off and put it on the side. Now I'm adding my yogurt in it. So I have used around half cup of yogurt. I'll be adding little by little and looking for the consistency. I don't want you to add too much yogurt, and our yogurt should be fresh and not tangy. Already our tomatoes are tangy, so we don't want to add a tangy yogurt. That makes the pachadi too much tangy and we can't eat anymore. So I'm keeping on adding little by little. So give it a good mix. So I have used around almost half cup of yogurt. Now I'm using the salt according to the taste. You can taste it, and if you need some more you can add. Now take a wok and add oil. We are going to make the tempering for our pachadi here. So add a little bit of oil according to the tempering. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and urad dal seeds. So we have to cook the urad dal until golden brown. Then I'm adding my green chilies. Make into 3 pieces and add them. Once the urad dal is well cooked, we'll be adding our curry leaves. Then mix it all together, and once our tempering is ready, then we will be adding it to the pachadi and give it a good mix, and your pachadi will be ready for serving with hot rice. And if you did not try this way, do try this. If you like the tomato flavor, you will definitely love this pachadi. Give it a try. It is really something different in taste. So I am adding my tempering into my pachadi and give it a good mix and serve now. Enjoy your pachadi. Do try this. So it's ready to serve now. Enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and